Welcome to Redline Review. The 2025 BYD Motorhome is a daring advancement in the electric recreational vehicle market that demonstrates the company's dedication to sustainability, innovation, and user-friendly technology. The goal of this new vehicle is to combine the practicality and environmental responsibility of complete electrification with the comfort of a luxury RV. Highlights 1. An entirely electric drivetrain. This motorhome is another example of BYD's reputation for advancing EV technologies. Depending on load and driving circumstances, the large capacity blade battery pack can provide an estimated 300 to 350 miles, 480 to 560 kilometers of range per charge. With planned charging stops, extended road journeys are possible because to the fast charging capacity, which can restore 80% of the battery in 45 to 60 minutes. Second, roomy, technologically advanced interior. The cabin is intended to provide the feel of a contemporary residence on wheels. Among the main features are a tablet-integrated smart control system for entertainment, HVAC lighting, and battery monitoring, a bed-converting modular lounge area with plush seats, a contemporary bathroom with a composting toilet and an eco-efficient shower, a small but fully furnished kitchenette with a refrigerator, microwave, and induction cooktop. Third, integration of solar power. High-efficiency solar panels covering the roof provide additional power for auxiliary systems and appliances, lowering the need for external charging. 4. Advanced driver support. Among the safety and convenience features offered by BYD are adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, a 360-degree camera system, and parking assistance. Experience behind the wheel. Although no motorhome feels exactly like a tiny car, the BYD manages better than many conventional diesel RVs because of regenerative braking with configurable settings, instant electric propulsion for smooth acceleration, a low center of gravity, battery underfloor. According to some reviews, wind noise is mild but detectable when traveling at highway speeds. BYD may address this in future improvements. Sustainability. One of the greenest RVs available is the 2025 BYD Motorhome. It is made to appeal to tourists who wish to lessen their carbon footprint because it has zero tailpipe emissions and a large solar capacity. Conclusion. Using BYD's well-proven battery technology, the 2025 BYD Motorhome is a pioneer in the electric RV market, offering a luxurious, peaceful, and environmentally responsible experience. This model is a great option if you appreciate sustainability, contemporary design, and the ease of smart systems, as long as you're willing to adjust to the realities of EV charging networks today.